On
Very
behalf
good
of
morning.
AJK College of Arts and Science and Department of Commerce, BA and B&I, I welcome you for this session, sir. And also I thank for your accepting our invitation. Sir, Dr. Ashwin Nitish, founder, Zero Based Learning and TED speaker, world recorder. Sir, I welcome you for this webinar session. And sir, the session is yours. Shall we start the session, sir?
First of all, I just want to thank AJK College of Management, and I would like to thank our principal Satish sir for this wonderful acceptance of happening of this program. The person behind this program is especially Dinesh Kumar sir, for head of the department, for making the beautiful initiative and make this events for happening. Okay. Last but not least, I just want to thank our students for your wonderful commitment. Sharp by 11:40, I have seen the number of 25 students were on the webinar call. I'm so happy to see your commitment towards it, and I just want to thank your host team, where else like the event management team. They were doing a tremendous, fabulous job over here. I would like to thank each and every person behind the screen. Okay, shall we start the session? Let us get familiar with the chat box. Okay, can you type in the chat box yes, only a letter S, everyone, students? I'm getting yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, Muhammad Balaji, attendee. Okay, Alina, okay, again, same thing. Okay, try to give your name so that it will be okay. Good, good. Thank you so much, Akshara, Arun. Okay, Sindhu. Okay, great, great, Kana, great, great. Here, I'm just going to start a session with a small activity. No? Here is an activity is like a, it moves on like. Here is a small activity that's we are going to play a small brain teasers. In this picture, you can see the clock with the dollar symbol. Okay, can you predict what is that exactly? For first activity, I'll give a clue. It's based on the time. Okay, can you get the answer in the Q&A? Okay, can anyone can guess? Let me see such a brilliant student in our team or department. Let me see who's going to answer first. Okay, I'll give an answer to first one. Okay, first one answer is time is money. Okay, this is what the first one, time. Okay, the dialogue symbol over here that represents the money. Okay, that particular connotation that denotes the money. Okay, second activity, can I get the answer in the Q&A? Okay, thank you, Arun. Wonderful. 12.15. Thank you, Lavanya, BCom department. Thank you so much for your initiative, Kana. Can I get the answer for the next presentation? Can you guess something I have mentioned as a secret? Can you let me know who's going to answer first? I haven't received any answers. Oh, time is a precious or money than money. Okay, thank you, Arun. Okay, I'm into our next presentation. Can I get the answer in the chat box? I have put a secret at the top, and that is a clue for you. I have given directly the answer. I'll reveal in once again in Tamil. In the picture, you can find out the, it's based on your analyzing skill. Okay. Can you get an answer? Secret I have put it, and that top also I mentioned. What would be, ma? Can you get the answer? Yes. Okay. Good, good, good. I'm getting answers. Good. Okay. The right answer is something top secret. Exactly. Wonderful, Kana. Okay. Next presentation. Can you get the answer in the Q&A, ma? Working dash time. Okay. Think something. Okay. You can answer this particular activity. Working below time. Can you get the answer in the Q&A? Yes. Try to use your Q&A, ma. Working at time, Lavanya, that's a wonderful, wonderful. Just think something else, ma. Your both phrases are right. Working time, that's the right answer. In between, you have at. Just replace something with that. Let me see Lavanya's trying to do it or not. I'm really seeing a rocking performance, Lavanya from BCom department. That's a wonderful, wonderful. Guys, we have 50 members in group, but only one person are answering on a chat box. Come on. Ella, try to participate. Yes. Lavanya BCom PA have given a working at time. Working according to the time. Thank you, Balaji Sham. Okay, 2 time, not 2. Something else, something else. Just come with your answers, Kana. Time is precious. Okay, working at time. Something else, ma. Else. Okay, Mohammed, it is something brain teaser, ma. And the render word, like using these 2 words, you have to use your analytical skills and you have to find the word, ma. That's going to be our activity. I've given a 2 example before, Kana. Working, the line represents over. That is a clue. Can you, can you correlate these 3 things and can you give the answer in the chat box? Working, dash means over, time. What is that answer exactly? Already I have given answer. Yes. Power. Okay, Kritik. Super Kana. Come on. I have given answer. Working, dash means like a over, time. Can you type the answer in the chat box at least? I have given answer. Just try to use your Q&A. The option is available in the below of your bottom of your call. Okay, the right answer is working overtime. That's the right answer, ma. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, we have next. Yeah, I have received answer. Right. What does that mean? Snijik. Okay, that's wonderful. That's fantastic. Okay, here you have a next brain teaser. Can I get the answer? It's a same clue. You can find the clue from the previous question. Can I get the answer? Let me see who's an intellectual person to give the answer. Yes. I'm seeing everyone is answering to the particular question. Wonderful, ma. Okay, I could not able to pronounce your word, ma. That's snitchta. Okay, snitchta. Okay.
Snigdha, sir. Snigdha.
Snigdha. Okay, Snigdha. Long time.
Yes.
Okay, Snigdha. That's a wonderful Snigdha. That's wonderful. Okay, I think the second person to give the right answer is Snigdha. Okay. Here we have a like answer from Muhammad. Muhammad, you're doing a fantastic job, guys. Okay. Long, okay, dash duration. Just think. You're so closer to our answer. Just use your brain and use your intellectual skill. Yes, Kana. Muhammad, you're a rocking man. Come on. Long dash duration. Snigdha, yes, come on. Good. I'm seeing long, not 2, ma. Lavanya, you're sticking to it, the two phrases, 2. Something else, Kana. We have given answers earlier also, same answer. What is that exactly? Long overdue. That's a Siddharth. You're rocking, man. Siddharth, right answer. We'll give a round of CLAP clap in the chat box. Okay, Siddharth have given a right answer. Long overdue. Lines, okay, represents over. That's the right thing. Okay, round of applause. Can we type CLAP clap in the Q&A box, ma? Or to Siddharth? That's a wonderful Siddharth. Okay. Yes. Can I get the CLAP in the Q&A box? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Balaji Shah. Good leader, Balaji. Okay. Okay. Here, Balaji, come on. Just give an answer for this particular question. Balaji or anyone else, Lavanya, Veera, Snitchda. Okay. Can I get the answer, ma? It is a very easier thing to think. Come on. Become students or brilliant students. Come on, guys. Answer. Think. Metal. Let me see who's going to give our first answer. Okay. I'm so familiar with the chat box, but here is some option Q&A. Hard work, something, Ganga, that's a wonderful thinking, Kana, but still think something beyond your box, think out of the box. Ganga Lakshmi, that's a wonderful answer. Dash work, okay, just think. We have mentioned as a metal. What might be? And the metal romba keela poirukku, that's in the low phrase. For mal enna varda, it may be in the low phrase. Come on, I want the answer. Let me see who is being closer to our answer. Yes, Kana. Time. Pal, come on. I have given all the clues in the previous question itself. Just find the answer. Metal kilo poirukku. Enna metal irukum. What might be the answer? Use your brain. This is called as an analytical skill. Whereas in many of the interviews, they do this kind of test for screening the candidates. Exactly, ma. I'll give a clue. If the metal is in higher weight in ratio, you can find the sliding. Appa adu enna metal irukum? Can I get the answer? Yes. Metal is the right answer, ma. What is behind to that? Okay, wonderful. I'm getting answer. Over metal, Lavanya, come on. Over metal, she's somewhere closer to answer. Hats off to Lavanya. That's a wonderful try. The right answer is a heavy metal. Okay, so that it feels like a heavy, so that it's landing in the position of it. That's a wonderful Lavanya. Okay, round of claps to Lavanya for the wonderful initiative to answer for this particular question. Okay, okay. CLAP, clap in the Q&A box. That's a good. That's a good. Okay, good. We'll just move on to the next part. Okay. All right. That's a very, I think, easiest question to all. Let me get the answer. Answer, please. Yes. Yes, I'm seeing there are some answers in the chat box. That's good. Fade away, Siddharth, you're rocking, man. Okay, simply a rocking. Okay, Siddharth rightly said it's a right answer is a fade away. That's right. Okay, we'll give a CLAP clap to Sid. Okay, Sid, you're rocking, Sid. Okay, Become department. Can we see? Can we type in the chat box CLAP clap in the chat box? Okay, that's a good. That's good. Host, can you make me? It's my slide is not being presented. No, please. Okay, that yeah, Mohammed, you can find it. It's like it's a fading math thing. Actually, that alphabet is getting faded. Okay, that's a thing, Kana. Yes. Yeah, Mohammed, I think you got the answer right. Okay, that's particular alphabet is getting faded away, so that exactly the fade away. That's a right answer. Okay, right answer, Kana. Thank you so much. Fade away. Here. I think everyone, Mohammed, come on, guy. Mohammed, you're such a brilliant student. Come with an answer for this particular question. Okay, thank you, Ganga, for giving a clap. Shafi, that's Shafi. That's cool, Shafi. Try this question, Shafi. Super. Okay, come on. It's a brilliant, I think brilliant students can answer this question. Come on. I think everyone can easy to give an answer. In every time in a college, we used to use this word, particular word, twice, thrice, okay, maximum thrice we use this word. What is that exactly? Come on, Shafi, Sid, Ganga, Lavanya, everyone. We have 35 members in our group. Come on, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I got some answer. So, any clue? Snitcha, exactly, Sid. You're right away. You said, man, you're rocking. Again, Siddharth is on the floor. Coffee break. That's a brilliant answer, man. Okay. Shafi, you're free. Okay. Yes, Kana. That's a coffee break. Okay. Whereas, like in between, we have a patch of it. So, coffee break. That's a right denotation. That's cool. Sid, we'll have a clap to Sidma. CLAP clap in the chat box. Come on, guys. I want everyone to be participative. Come on. Feel free to participate. Thank you, Balaji. Such a wonderful. I'm seeing that Balaji is a good leader. If whenever I ask a question or a clap, he's a person who makes an initiative. Thank you, Lavanya, Kana. You are doing an awesome job. Arun, super Tambi. Yes, Kana. Yes, we have a last question over here. Yes. I think brilliant students can answer this particular presentation. Can I get an answer in the chat box? I'll give a clue, Kana. Whereas this mentions some kind of sports activity, kind of sports, or it's a kind of defense activities. What's that exactly? Ringing, Ganga, you are close to an answer, Ganga Lakshmi. Somewhere it's a, yeah, no, not it, ringing, something else. Come on, Ganga. Yeah, Shafi, you're right, Ring, Shafi, you're right. Somewhere closing to the answer. Think, Shafi, you can do it. Ganga, you can try. You're somewhere close to the answer. It reveals some kind of sports activity. Yes. Whereas we have what type of shape that we do have outside. That is a second clue, Kana. Come on. Yes, Kana, I'm getting answers. Wonderful answers. Yes. Okay. Normally we use a two of gestures for do this particular activity. Can I get the answer right now? Yes, and can see the energy overwhelming in the chat box. Superb. Ring throw, Lavanya. Beautiful attempt, ma. Not it. Okay, the answer is the shape. What type of shape that you can see? It's like a box. Okay, add ing plus ring. What is that exactly? No, Lavanya, come on, I have given an answer directly. You can just merge everything together. Box, ing plus ring. What's that exact answer, ma? Boxing ring. That's a beautiful Arun. Okay. Arun, that's a wonderful boxing ring. That is it. Nitin. I'm sorry, haven't seen your answer, Kana. Nitin have rightly said. Round of claps to the Nitin. What is the name? Take till. Okay, that's wonderful, Nitin. That's wonderful. That's a wonderful boxing ring. That's the right answer, ma. Okay. CLAP clap to Nitin Tekin. Okay. Thank you, Balaji. Thank you, Arun. Thank you, Lavanya, for participating. Thank you, Shaji. Okay, good. Just we are going to enter to this. Yes. Shall we start our presentation? Okay. Cool. That's a wonderful start. Such a enthusiastic students. I feel so energetic. All because of you people. Thank you so much. I hopefully think that after this lockdown, I think you will have this much of certificates to carry forward. Okay. I have a small question. Every time our students is to attend all webinars or all kind of knowledge transferring programs. But I have a small question, ma. Okay. Whatever that you're learning, it's a kind of knowledge. Again, I'm saying, what is the things that you're learning? It's a particularly knowledge. Once you're going to apply your knowledge, it's going to be matured, ma. Okay. Once you're going to apply your knowledge, then it will get matured. Then it can be predicted. That can be seen in your behavior. That's what gonna. Today's session is going to be an application-oriented program. So I want everyone to be alert, and I just want everyone. Surely, I'm saying that somewhat you'll learn out of this program. Surely, many of the key takeaways will be in our program also. Okay. I'll give you before. I don't want to make any secret clues behind this presentation. Our presentation will be teaching all about what is an important models hack for making a successful mindset. This is what our program can. Okay. Thanks for your patience, Kana. Okay. Here, let us see what is exactly the success mindset, Kana. Yes. Here. Anytime, or if you want something to discuss anytime, you can stop me. And so I'm so happy to answer your questions anytime, Kana. So be participative as much you can, ma. Okay. Here is like a success mindset. Okay, Kana. Here, one second, just organizing the chat box. Okay. Here, we have to understand the mindset. What is exactly a mindset is meaning? Take for instance, you're holding an AK-47 gun. Okay, you are holding an AK-47 gun or something that is a powerfully equipped gun you are carrying. Once you enter the forest, will you get feared? Okay, will you get threatened by animals? Will you get threatened by any of your creatures? Surely you will not get threatened because you have a mindset that I'm holding a gun. Okay, this is what we call as a mindset. Mindset, it seems to be figure out how to make the things happen despite of impossible odds. Take for example, you're planning to buy a mobile phone. Okay, I'm just giving a clue. You are planning to buy a mobile phone. Just you're surfing in a Google, you're surfing in a Flipkart, Amazon, everything. Okay, once you are in a college, you used to look at everyone's mobile. What kind of mobile that person is using? What kind of mobile phone that professor is using? You have that type of mindset. Okay, mindset is something. It's a kind of you see the things as it is. Okay, that's what we call as a mindset. Once you have a right mindset, you can have a right mind. If you have a right mind, for that right mind, you need to have a right subconscious mind. If you want to have a right subconscious mind, you want to have a right subconscious belief. Hereby, I'll be explaining each and everything in very simplified manner so that you can implement this application part. Okay, am I clear, ma, to everyone? Okay, today we are going to deal with the success mindset. Here, what is that exactly mindset, sir? Already I have said mindset is something. What are the things? How we see the things, how we handle the things, that we call as a mindset, Kana. Here we have two types of mindsets that's been there. Okay, one we call as a growth mindset. That is to be a prospective. Another one we call as a fixed mindset. Okay, growth mindset. Take for example, growth mindset. I can put the example of a pandemic situation. Okay, though in this pandemic situation, we think that we are not getting any job, we are not getting any pays. Okay, we are not getting any part-time job. Even everyone in the recession, nobody's having the money. Everybody have that kind of thought. But growth mindset person, is to take the things as an opportunity. Okay, take for example, pandemic situation, Amazon have earned it's a biggest e-commerce that they have to make a higher number of turnover. Just Google, find it, Amazon turnover from February to October, sorry, September. You just go and surf in a Google, you can find I can put Amazon as a growth mindset because they have seen this as an opportunity. Okay, you can see the number of advertisement in TV and everywhere. Amazon is doing a wonderful job. They have seen this pandemic time as a growth mindset. Fixed mindset, they focus on a failure. Oh my god, I can't go outside, I don't have any job, I can't go to my college, I can't go to anywhere, I can't do any part-time job. You stick to the failure, that we call as a fixed mindset. You find where every time you used to fix on the barrier, you every time you sit on the setbacks. So Kana, we have a two wider perspective. One is a growth mindset, example is an Amazon. A fixed mindset is something every time we'll focus on the problem. You have to find which is our exact mindset, Kana. In a session, we'll make you to come out of your comfort zone and explore the clear new future after this pandemic time. Yes. How this mindset works, okay, Kana? This mindset works on the base of your belief system. Where do this belief system are there? It's that's in your particular subconscious mind. I'm here to tell this hierarchy. Again, just guys take a screenshot out of this presentation, Kana. This is where your mindset works. How does this mindset work? Mindset purely works on your belief system. என்னோட நம்பிக்கையால தான் work ஆகுது. அந்த நம்பிக்கை எங்க இருக்கு? That falls in your subconscious mind. Okay, these are the two things that we are going to learn in our today's session. Yes, thank you, Shafi. That's a cool. I can see the chat box. I'm so happy to see you all in the chat box. I think the host has enabled to all panelists. Okay, that's wonderful, wonderful, Shafi. I think everyone can use a chat box, please, please. Okay, belief system. You can't transform yourself unless you transform your belief system. Okay, entire belief system in your mind. Okay, that too in particular in your subconscious mind. Yes, today we are going to see what is an exactly a belief system. So you're talking about the belief system. How does belief system that go? Simple understanding. I think everyone can access the chat box, right? Can I get a yes in the chat box? Yes. I think everyone can use the chat box option. Can I get the chat box? Yes in the chat box, Kana? Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you, Kana. I'm seeing everyone names in the chat box. I'm so happy for thing. Yes, Kana. Thank you, event management team, for the quick making this program to be more lively. Thank you so much, sir. Here, I'll be teaching you how this belief system works. Okay, Kana? Can you type something that you have learned from practical? Can you type in the chat box? That's something that you have learned through practical. Take, for example, I have learned driving through my practical thing. Just can I tell something, cooking or drawing, whatever it may be. Thank you, Arun, Ashpa, Balaji, Sanoop and Muhammad for your wonderful acknowledging it. Please, can you type in the chat box, Kana? Can you, something that you have learned through practical things? Yes. Use the chat box, Kana. Again, I reveal the question, ma. Oh, swimming. That's Sanoop. That's a wonderful, Kana. Swimming. That's a cool. Come on, any others? Either dancing, embroidering, designing, craft work, whatever it may be, Kana. Something that you have learned through practical. Even your chemistry lab, that works through practical, Kana. I think everyone is using Q&A option. Kana, try to use this thing, Kana. Chat box, please, please. You can use a chat box. Our host has able to this thing. Thank you. Drawing, Lavanya is telling. Ganga is telling, I learned through practical classes, sir. Thank you. Kana, I can't use both the boxes simultaneously. You can use only chat box, please. Yes, Anu. Okay, any others, ma? Okay, Lavanya have said about the drawing. Exactly, ma. I'll take this two example. Thank you, Sanoop and Lavanya, for the taking initiative to answer for this particular question. Something that you have learned through practical, that means like, where it's like this is all based on your belief system தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா நம்பிக்கை. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன ஆகும் கேட்டீங்கன்னா, this is how the uh, flow of your belief system formation. ஓகே, உங்களால கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா இந்த விஷயம் பண்ண முடியுங்கிறதுக்கு this is the step by step process. Okay, this is the skeleton of belief system. Belief system எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் கேட்டீங்கன்னா, how this particular belief system form, it seems like a first thing is your belief. Next one, it forms as a core belief. Take for example, you think that you can do a drawing. Okay, we'll take a drawing. Lavanya's example. We'll take a Lavanya's example. Lavanya is telling, "Sir, I'm good in drawing." She believes that she can do a wonderful drawing. That's going to be a masterpiece drawing. Okay. Second thing, core belief. How this core belief happens, Kana? Once you put this belief, I'm thinking that I want to do some type of drawing. That's my belief. Then I'm drawing in a A4 sheet. Then I'm showing to others. Okay, take for example, I'm just showing to my friends. I'm putting in a Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, as a netizen, everyone, everywhere, everyone is seeing that particular drawing. Everyone is giving like Instagram. What a beautiful drawing, Lavanya. Everybody is appreciating Lavanya. Suddenly, Lavanya gets an emotion. Wow, what a beautiful thing. Everyone is appreciating my drawing. I think I'm good. I'm a good the person. I'm really have a ability to draw the things. You will develop the faith. Lastly, it becomes your identity. Kana simple understanding. Okay, Kana, this is where your belief system step by step process how it's formed. I'll explain once again, ma. Your belief forms. Second is like a once or twice you practice, it becomes as a core belief. Okay, you add on the emotions. Okay, we are going to talk emotion. Emotion is nothing but how you feel. Okay, right now I'm feeling like everyone is after seeing the chat box answers in the chat box, I'm feeling so happy. I'm feeling excited because without the chat box I feel like a monotonous of talking. I'm just talking. I feel the emotion that forms a faith, and last it's going to be an identity. Okay, it's a can I get in the chat box clear? CLER clear. Everyone use a CHAT chat box that's in your Zoom call. Yes, clear. Thank you, Balaji. Thank you, Balaji. Come on, everyone. CLER clear. Thank you, Nitin. Upsil. Thank you, Kanna. Come on, everyone. Be participative, guys. Your department have taken much effort for this particular program, your college and everyone. Be participative. I don't want it to reach only few members. I want everyone 50%. Thank you, Sanu. Wonderful, Sanu. Come on, everyone. Akshay, that's a good one. That's a good set. Thank you, Kanna. Thank you all for your immediate response. Thank you so much. Okay, ma, I can't use the Q&A simultaneously, ma. Please try to use only the chat box, please. Okay. Don't use a Q&A. Yes, Kanna, this is where the belief. Second part, we have there is a two sides in a coin, right? One side we call this a positive, another side we call this a negative. Same thing happens in belief system. Belief, we have seen how this positive belief system is forming. Okay, belief, core belief, emotion, faith, identity. That is going to be a belief system. Whereas like irrational belief system, it's a kind of negative thing. Take for example, we develop this kind of irrational belief system. Take for example, you plan to do a kind of project. Okay, you are just planning to do certain kind of project. Take for example, kind of restaurant, or somebody might be planning to start up a new coffee plots, or any kind of activity, practical things you would like to do, but still you feel like doing. If situation is getting all right, I do it. If not, I'll not do that. Okay, that's what we call as an irrational belief system. Okay, everything turns better, then I'll do it. Take for example, you have a belief system, I want to become a good public speaker. Okay, you plan to do that. Okay, you have a belief that I want to become a good public speaker. What is that exactly? Irrational belief system mean is like you create a condition for it. Okay, you create a condition for your belief system, that we call as an irrational belief system. If I want to become a public speaker, I will learn a good English. Okay, I'll talk fluent in English, then I'll become a public speaker. This will be a irrational belief system. Okay, try to eliminate your irrational belief system. That is where the barrier. Okay, that's what great personality and great spiritual speakers is to say, if somebody is going to kill you, you can find who's that person killing you. If you continuously kill yourself, there is no one to help you out much. So be aware of what is a belief system, what is an irrational belief system. That's where you have to find it. Okay, here is you. I want everyone to use your chat box. How much do you pay for this particular gadget? Okay, I do have this particular specs, Kana. I do have this particular specs. Okay, this specs have a unique features. Whereas like you can access the GPS. It shows and all the data. It shows the direction. You can take a photos. You can make a music. How much can you pay for this particular specs once you're planning to buy this particular specs? Can I get a betting in the chat box? 10,000 or 20,000, 1 lakh. How much you willing to pay for this specs? You would like to buy? How much can you pay? Shafi is telling 2,000. Balaji is telling it 30,000. That's a cool. Yeah, Kana. Wonderful, wonderful. Come on, everyone. Nitin, wonderful, Kana. 2,500. Lavanya, 4,000. Okay, Kana. Any other? Come on, chat box, not Q&A. Okay, the specs have all the features. How much you can pay for this buying this particular spec? 10,000 upsell. Okay, 5,000 Snija. Okay, Sniga. Alina, 5,000. Okay, Kana. Snijita, 5,000. Alina, 5,000. Come on, everyone. Beautiful, beautiful, Kana. I'm getting a good betting amount. Akshara, 5,000. Okay, come on, everyone. Vishnu, 8,000. Lavanya, 15,000. Come on, everyone. Come on, participate too. How much you are ready to afford this, ready to offer for this particular specs? Yes, Kana, wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Balaji, wonderful, bro. Yeah, you are telling about 50,000. That's a cool, Kana. That's a cool amount. Less than MRP. Sanup, I think you can enter to a marketing. You're really a good marketing person. Okay, Arun is telling 10,000. That's cool. Thank you, Sanup, Arun. Okay. Any other higher amount you would like to bid for this particular specs, which in price of all the features? Yes. Wonderful, Kana, wonderful. Thank you so much for your thing. Here, I have a particular clause, particular condition. Okay, once you want to operate this particular specs, again I'm revealing, once you want to operate this particular gadget, specs kind of gadget, you want to carry this many of the luggages with you. How many of the person will buy the specs again by giving this amount? Can I get yes or no in the chat box? Once you want to operate this particular specs, you want to carry this much. Balaji is saying no, sir. Okay. Any of others, ma? Yes or no? Lavanya, no way, sir. That's a honest. That's a thank you, Akshara. Okay. No, sir. Yeah, Kana. Alina, that's a wonderful Alina. No, sir. Exactly, Kana. Yes. Any of the others, ma? Answers? Yes or no? Yes, come on. Balaji, okay. Balaji, give an answer. Come on. Arun, never, sir. Okay. That's cool answer, Arun. Yes, Kana. Any other, Kana? How much you would like to afford for this product? Yes. You're telling no? Never. Come on. Yes, Kana. Thanks for your your answers in the chat box, ma. I really appreciate everyone for answering for this particular question. As same like what we are seeing in the specs, okay, as similar, many of the successful person in their life, okay, this is all because they are more successful in their subconscious mind programming. As same like the specs feature for Naraya, we might have seen big personality, we might have seen big senior personalities, we have seen a successful person, leader, everyone. We are just seeing outer appearance, okay. Inside towards it, they have much done, they have done their hard work, they have done many hours of works together. Take for example, whomever the great personality, they have spent much time, energy for attaining this particular question mark. So same thing, what we are seeing like our specs outside, inside you have to do as much as a hard work. That hard work is nothing but we are just talking about your subconscious mind, making a programming of subconscious mind. That's what we are just going to talk again. Still now we have seen about the mindset. Mindset works on your belief system. Belief system that works to a subconscious mind. Lastly, we are going to teach about the subconscious mind. Before moving to this, you have to understand shining object syndrome. We feel like doing a shining object. Take for example, due to this COVID time pandemic situation, everyone planning to start a business of mask business. Everyone like to do a business of that particular sanitizer. Okay, everyone would like to do a business about the de-infectifying things. Actually, exactly right. Car washing. Okay, disinfection things, products, and everything. Right. This is everything we call it as a shiny object syndrome, where it's like you mind justify in action and with excuses you end up in the doing nothing. You feel like a catering is a good business, hotel management is a good business. Exactly, Shafi. Mask and sanitizer, we feel like doing everything, but that is not going to be everlasting. You have to find what's it exactly you need. Okay, what is an exactly thing that you want in your life? That is where you have to find it. Okay, clear? I'll sum up again. We have seen a mindset. Mindset works through your belief system. Belief system that works with your subconscious mind. As like a number of briefcases, we are coded with number of subconscious belief. You make your subconscious belief right, everything will happen. This everything we are getting stopped because of shining object syndrome. This is we call this in take for example Japanese companies. Okay, they do everything into a macro, it's into a micro speed. Micro speed is like each and every company, it will take around nearly about 20 to 30 years to hit their target. Okay, they never expect the profit immediately within 1 to 2 years. This shows your patience. Okay, same thing, no? You will get attracted to each and everything. We get attracted. Oh, we can do online business, so that we can do a catering business, we can do a event management. It's not like that. Okay, we get attracted with whatever see in outside. That's not actually you have to introspect, look at yourself. What is the thing I want? Okay, what can that with a micro speed? Take your time, at least 20 years to get succeed in that. Then you will be master of it. You will be the great person in that particular field. Try to have a micro speed, not a mega macro patience. That's what I would like to tell. Here, I'm going to teach one model we call as an TEA model. Okay, can I get a chat box, ma? TEA, can you type TEA? The chat box, come on. Yes, thank you, Lavanya. Okay, Balaji, thank you, Kana. Yes. Nathan, thank you, Nitin. Wonderful. Balaji, yes. Okay. Snija, okay. Snigdha, thank you, ma. Any everyone, please type in the chat box. TEA. Okay, thank you, Veena. Wonderful thing. Veena Parameshwaran. Wonderful, Kana. Okay. Okay. Here, by we are just talking about the mindset. Mindset is nothing but in Tamil we call it as a mananilai sollumo. Okay. TEA. This is where the model, you can use this model to change your mindset. What is it exactly? Whatever things happen, first that comes in your mind is your thought. Once the thought enters, you'll get triggered with an emotion, then it continue, it's a forms an action. This everything is a cycle. Thought forms, emotion flows, then action performs. That's what again I reveal. Whatever things that we do, first that comes in your mind is your thoughts, next is your emotion, third step is your action. This is where we call this an TEA model. It's a great psychologists have spoken about this TEA model. We'll just see what is that exactly TEA model that we can apply for successful mindset. Exactly, take for example, thought. You have a thought, this pandemic situation is going to be hard. Okay, I'm not liking this pandemic situation. You'll get a what type of mindset? We have talked about the two kind of mindset. What is and one more? Can you get an answer in the chat box? What are the two types of mindset? Yes, can I please? What are the two types of mindset that we have seen? Yeah, happy and sad. Okay, Kana. Another mindset. Thank you, Akshara, for your answer, Kana. Happy and sad. What is the thing that we have seen in the presentation, ma? What is the growth mindset? And yeah, thank you, Balaji. Wonderful, wonderful. Fixed mindset. Thank you, Veena. Thank you, Akshara, Balaji. Wonderful, Kana. I'm really happy for to address to all. Thank you so much. Okay, as Veena and Balaji and Akshara said, we have a fixed and growth mindset. We call it as a thought. When you have a thought, is hard. This pandemic situation makes me hard. You have a thought that I can't do this, I can't do that. Okay, you feel everything is going to be wrong. Okay, that is going to be a first thing. We'll have a two type of thought. When we take an example, we have a two type of thoughts. One will feel like a good one. This pandemic situation is an opportunity to me. And second thing, you feel like this pandemic situation is a harder for me. This is a thought you're getting. Okay, yes, Kana. First that comes in your mind is your thought. Okay, either you can take it as a hard, either you can take it as an opportunity. It's your choice, Kana. Okay, whatever things that happens in your mind, it's a matter of choices. Take for example, once I've been in Mumbai, I have a choice of eating very, I think morning, every morning I used to wake up by 6:30, and I'll be rushing to a particular metro by 6 probably by 7 to 7:30. Morning breakfast I used to hurry up like anything. That time I have a choice of getting vada pav or apple. Okay, this again it's a choice of shifting. Either I can choose vada pav or apple. The both the things are available. If this is my opportunity, this is my choice, whichever I can choose. So thought is also your choice. Either you take it as an opportunity, or this is going to be hard for me. I will not change anything. Fixed mindset. Exactly. The T we have covered. Next we call is an emotion. Okay. This is how the model goes. Next we call as an emotion. Emotion is nothing but how we feel. That we call as an emotion. Happiness, sad, like, hated, frustrated, angry. Take for example, somebody is going to ask about, I think everyone is missing your college days, right? Yes, everyone is missing. You feel a kind of emotions. Yes or no? Okay, how many of the persons of you missing your college days? Can I get in the chat box? Yes. Okay, if you feel comfortable in your home, type no. Yes, Akshara is telling yes, sir. Lavanya is telling yes, sir. I'm missing my friends and my faculty, my department. Kana, please try to post in the chat box, please. College is telling yes. Okay, Kana. Snikta is also telling yes, sir. Okay, Kana. Yeah, come on, everyone. Yeah, Abhiram also telling yes, sir. We are missing my college. It's okay. Vivo, I could not able to read out your name. Are you also saying yes, sir? We are missing. Absal is also telling yes, sir. This is what we call as an emotions. Okay. First, that forms as your mind is your thought. Thought leads to an emotion. Okay. In a chat box, you can feel everyone is saying yes, yes, yes. Okay. Everyone is feeling somewhere frustrated, depressed, happiness, sad. This everything reveals about your emotion. This is where if you feel you have a thought that this is going to be opportunity, you feel happy. If you think this is not an opportunity, this is a curse for me, you feel worried. Okay, you feel like annoyed. This is what the emotion kana. Third one, it comes here behavior. Okay, third one that falls in your behavior. TEA. We are just talking about TEA, thought, emotion, behavior. That leads to a behavior. I have a thought. This webinar is going to be a mind life-changing webinar. If you have a thought, surely you'll change it. Okay. If you have a thought, oh, it's going to be yet another webinar. We'll switch on the Zoom. Let him talk. Then I'll switch off the thing. I'll get the e-certificate. This is a kind of fixed mindset behavior. Okay. So thought, emotion, behavior. This is how it works. Behavior, once it comes, once you clear with your thought, once you clear with your emotion, automatically your behavior flows like anything. Okay, you might have seen many of the things you feel like once you are playing mobile games. Okay, take for example, you used to play many of the games, right? Okay, can I get what are the types of games that you used to play through your mobile phone? Can I get in the answers in the chat box? Your favorite games, online games, type of games? PUBG, okay, that's still government have banned that particular game. Thank you, Abraham. Okay, Nathan, Arun, Akshara, okay, Kana. Everyone is telling PUBG and everyone. Okay, Kana, okay. Yes, yes, Kana, yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, Kana. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, everyone is saying. Uh, okay, Free Fire, Abhiram. Okay. Yes, Kana. Cheese, Lavanya. Okay, Kana. Okay. Akshara is telling. Okay. Abrana. Okay, Abarna is also telling same thing. Akshara. Thank you, Arun. Everyone is saying some kind of game. But still be aware of the gaming. World Health Organization have revealed this gaming as something disorder. Okay, don't try to have playing the games continuously. The World Health Organization have said this as a disorder. So be very cautious about your gaming, Kana. Okay, we have to lead a good life and we have to have a good things to be happening. So we'll take an example as a gaming. Okay, if you feel the like you have a thought, I'm going to play a game. You will have an emotion. Wow, what a life. Okay, then your behavior will be so happy. You'll be doing that thing. You'll try to explore the thing. So I would like to give you the few examples of the exploring the persons who have explored their life. This is a person, particular lady. She have celebrated her I think 100 years of her birthday. She is doing a sky jump. Okay, that's where you can find the picture, Kana. Next, another interesting character we called as in Sindhuja Raman. Okay, her age is around 14, Kana. She's an exactly the CEO and 2D animator at the age of 14. Think about her thing. She's clear in her thought. She's clear in her emotion. Automatically, behavior flows. Okay, another the person we call as Shushma. She have completed her graduation MSc at the age of 15. Think about the other. She have planned to do her PhD when she turns into 17. Okay, think about her mind behavior. This everything happens by in a flow. Once you have your thought, once you have your emotion right, you automatically would have a behavior right, ma. Okay, so be clear with your behavior. Try to avoid your mobile phone addiction, ma, so that this addiction will make you not to explore anything. Okay, Kana? Thanks for your answers in the chat box, ma. The particular person, I think everyone, who's that particular person, ma? Sindhu, that's a Shafi. That's a good answer, ma. Shafi. Shafi is the right person. Every time I ask the person to answer, immediately it's a Shafi. I'm so happy for you, Shafi. The particular Sindhu is to travel 27 kilometer for her training. She used to wake up by morning 4 o'clock. Think about her thought. Think about her emotion, how she feels. So if you're clear with your thought and emotion, automatically your behavior flows. It can be seen in your action, Kana. Okay, this is we called as a TEA model. I hope everyone is clear with this one. Can I get the answer CLE clear in the chat box? Yes, Kana? Yes, thank you, Nitin. Thank you. Okay, lastly, okay, thank you, Lavanya. Yes, thank you, Balaji, Abarna, Snigha. Okay, thank you so much, ma. Here, I thank you, ma. Don't use a Q&A box, ma, so that I'm not able to see that particular thing. Longer you think of doing something, higher the chance you won't do it. Example, I've been to a particular country, ma. I did a bungee jump. Okay, I think everyone is aware of the bungee jump. In Tamil Gushi movie, you have seen that particular bungee jump. I was literally standing in the pinnacle of that particular slide. They were asking to jump. I feel like a frustrated and threatened. I said, sir, I need a some more time. I said, me need a some more time. But the chances, as much as you stand, you can't do into action. Okay, whatever things you want to do in your life, do immediately. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Longer you think of doing something, higher the chance you won't do it. Okay, the person asked me to jump. Once I'm going to immediately jump, I can be successful. If I'm taking the time to, either I can do it, can I really have a capable or ability to do that? That won't work. Okay, if you feel to do something good, you feel something is a good to do. If you want to start up a new business, part-time business, try to do it immediately. Okay, put everything into a behavior using this TEA model. We have a few hacks, making our works mindset clear, works to be done. I'm going to teach you few hacks. First method we call is a Pomodoro method. Okay, I'm going to reveal again Pomodoro method. Do something interesting. Take for example assignment. your Dinesh Kumar sir have said to make a assignment. Okay. Take for example, he have given in the particular principles of management, you have to complete the assignment by tomorrow. He's giving a deadline. You can write this assignment for the 25 minutes. Okay, then you can have a 5 minutes break. You can do whatever things you want. You want to hear the music, or you want to eat your favorite food, or you want to talk with your friend, but minimum of 5 minutes. Then you start for another 25 minutes. You can complete the work with as soon as ma. This we call is a Pomodoro technique. Okay, you can use this technique ma. This sounds good. This can be very effective and efficient for you. Okay, try to use this Pomodoro technique. I'll reveal once. Pomodoro technique is nothing but what for 25 minutes, give 5 minutes rest. Okay, again 25 minutes circle, 5 minutes rest. That we call is a Pomodoro technique. Okay, so that you can feel the good freshness and creative in your work style. Okay, next method we call as a next hack we call as a Parkinson's law. Okay, take for example, you're planning to write a letter. Okay, take for instance, you're planning to write an email. Okay, either for Onam or some kind of greetings to your friend. Either take for example, you planning to write a Onam greetings to your friend. You plan to write by morning 10 o'clock. Then you are thinking. By night 10 o'clock, you started to write. Okay. Here, Parkinson's says seems like the less the time to do the more. Okay. Take for example, on the கிட்டத்தட்ட மார்னிங் காலையில 10 மணில இருந்து சாயங்காலம் 10 மணி வரைக்கும் நீங்க பாக்குற எழுதுற ஒரே விஷயத்தை தான் when you going to do it for you have started by morning 10. Okay, you having to complete within another 10 minutes. Same, it's equal of the work that you do. Okay, Parkinson's is like it's not about the quality of the time. Okay, it's a level of commitment he's saying that we call it as a Parkinson's law. Okay, third hack I would like to tell we call it as a reverse procrastination. Okay, that's a beautiful technique. Every day I used to jog, right? Okay, I have a habit of doing a jogging. Reverse procrastination is something I will introduce a pain if I'm not using that habit. Take for example, I have a habit of doing a jogging. If I'm not going to do a jogging, then I have to if I'm not doing the jogging, I have to do a 15 exactly. Shafi is telling about the exercise. That's good. You introduce a pain before your unproductive activity. Take for example, what are the unproductive activities? Let me get the example from you, sir. What are the unproductive habits that we do every day? Surfing in the internet, any other things, ma'am? Unproductive habits that we do every day in our life. Yes. Come on, guys. What are the unproductive habits that we do? Playing games, okay. Any others, ma'am? Come on. Am I audible? What are the unproductive habits that we do every day? Watching TV, that's Balaji Sham. That's good. Take for example, Balaji Sham have said about, sir, watching TV. Exactly, everyone knows that it's an unproductive habit. Once you're being into your unproductive habit, you want to introduce a pain. Okay, if you want to watch the TV, you introduce a pain. You have to do a 25 push-ups. Then I'll watch the TV. That's how. Okay, if I want to play a game in my mobile phone, okay, I have to read the entire syllabus. Okay, at least I'll read the syllabus, then I'll go to play a game. So introduce a pain before your unproductive activity. That's what I have given. 25 sit-ups if I want to play if I want to play in the mobile phone. Okay, this is where you introduce a pain before your unproductive activity. This we call as a reverse procrastination, so that you will do that activity. Take for example, sir have given an assignment to you. If you want to if you're not able to complete it, you will be introducing a pain. What he'll do, he'll give a punishment. You will get a lesser of a internal mark. So you have to introduce a pain before your unproductive activity. For productive habit, you have to make the reverse of it. This will be called as a reverse procrastination technique. This is a third hack that we have taught you. Okay, the winner's mindset is like a patience. Okay, feel patience for whatever you have. Okay, feel good what you feel. Next is like a gratefulness. Feel grateful for everything, for a food, for the way we are, for our parents, for our teachers. Okay, to our college. You feel grateful for whatever you have in life. That creates a winning mindset. work for free. If you're passionate to work for, take for example, sir, I want to start up a event management company. Please go and join an event management company, but work for free. You'll learn as much more. Don't focus on the money. Work for a free. Even this is also a winner's mindset. Punctuality. Even this also punctuality. That's what I'm saying. Beginning of this session, I have appreciated few members, all because this meant 28 of the members were committed to being on time. I'm seeing 28 members on Zoom call by 11:40. That's I'm seeing the punctuality, ma. Okay. Next is like yes, EE. What is that exactly, ma? Yes stands for sleep. Have a good enough of sleep. E stands for exercise, rightly, ma. You do at least a hour for your exercise, and stands for you eat the right food, ma. That's also thing. Schedule entertainment. If I want to schedule the entertainment. What is that exactly? The entertainment, playing the game. If I want to go for the birthday party, you have to schedule it rightly, ma. Okay, don't over prioritize your entertainment series. Take for example, morning I'll play, tomorrow I'll play, day after tomorrow I'll play. Then where do you have a time to study? Where do you have a time to prepare for your semester exam? Okay, schedule your entertainment. Don't make the things to be fallen every time to do that. Watching TV, watching Netflix. Okay. Okay, Abiran, which one you can't understand? Okay, yes, easy. I'll explain Abarna. Okay, Abarna is nothing but yes, EE stands for yes stands for sleep. Have a good amount of sleep, 7 to 8 hours. Once you feel, if you feel a good sleep, you can end up the day rightly, and you can start up the day rightly. Ma. E stands for exercise rightly. Take a hour to work out, and E stands for eat right food, healthy food. Ma. That we call as yes, EE. Abarna, it's clear, ma? Sleep, eat, exercise. That we call as C. Is it clear, Abarna? Can you type you clear? Thank you, Abarna. That's really wonderful. Seeing the interaction among the students. Okay. Schedule entertainment. Willpower. Final word I would like to tell. What is it exactly? The willpower. Okay. Take for example, I'm just having a thought to diet for this today. Okay. Today I'm just planning to do a diet. Take for example, my brother is bringing a black forest cake. Okay. If I can control my temptation, this shows my willpower. Okay, you can check your willpower wherever you want. Take for instance, you're just traveling in a bus. Okay, you feel like you're totally tired. By 3:30, you're just getting out of your college. Okay, you're just entering to your bus. Okay, KSRTC, Kerala Transport. You're just entering it. You're finding only one seat. You're just sitting over there. Over to the next stop, you're finding a very old lady. She's carrying a much of luggages. Okay, once you're giving a seat to her, okay, you're just offering the seat to her, even that shows your willpower. Try to check your willpower frequently, ma. Take for example, everybody like the chocolates, biscuits. Okay, take for a thing for a date without taking any of the stuffs over there. Even this also shows your willpower. Try to check your willpower. This everything reveals about your winner's mindset, Kana. Okay, are you clear? Can everyone can type in the chat box winner's mindset? Yes. Yes, mindset, please. MINDSET mindset. Is it clear, ma? Everyone, try to use your chat box. Thank you, Kana, Veena. Yes, yes. Yes, Kana. Thank you, Balaji. Thank you, Snigdas. Thank you, Abarna. Yes, Kana. Akshara. Thank you, Akshara. Yes, Kana. Rightly said. Lastly, I would like to tell a very important thing. Whatever you give to others, okay, that is only yours. That is the last thing I would like today. Whatever things that you have within you, okay, where else, like we are in a pandemic situation, most of the workers, they are not having money. Most of the middle lower people, they could not able to even afford the money for their basic need like a food, water, shelter. Do something for them. Okay, this is the last slide I would like to explain to you all, ma. If you want, take a screenshot. This is where the important key takeaways I would recommend everyone to take away from our session. It's nothing but the things, blessing of other people's minds are the powerful, and communicate the gratitude towards you. Okay, அடுத்தவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து நீங்க வாங்க blessing sama, that is where you feel like a you get empowered. Okay, that's a blessing is nothing but what you give is yours. That is simple. If I'm holding something, that is not mine. What you give is yours. That is what I want to tell to everyone. Whatever you give, given is yours. Whatever you have with you, it's not yours. As simple, Kana. Try to use this universal law and find the blessing of your life and find your things. Do it now. If you don't change what you are doing today, of your tomorrows will also looks like yesterday. Every day looks like same. Then where you find the next better version of you, try to do something new. Try to do something. That's what the pandemic situation have created. The pandemic situation have given a clear chat box. It have given a clear slate to work on, a clear mobile. Everything is clear, so we can do something better to find our future. Our challenge is not knowing, we do know. Our challenge is we don't do it right now. Yes, Kana. Yes, that's what we have. I'm just going to go over a small recap of the entire session. We have seen about first about the winning mindset. Second, we have seen about the second thing we have seen about the belief, subconscious mind. We have seen about the model, TEA model. Lastly, we have seen fifth thing as an hacks. Finally, winning mindset. These are the six takeaways of today's session. Thank you so much, management and principal and beloved faculty, Dinesh sir, for this wonderful acceptance and making this program happening. I just want your question. If you have any question, just post in the chat box, ma. I'm so happy to have your questions, ma. Yes, over to question, ma.
Thank you for your wonderful speech, sir. Today's session was very good, and also our students also very interactive with you. I'm seeing that chat box and Q&A box. Thank you for your acceptance of our invitation, sir. I thank you all on behalf of AJK College of Arts and Science Management and student of Become PA and B&I.